Alright, what's good everybody on the World Wide Web? It's your boy DJ Henton, and today I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys my Supreme Spring Summer 18 pickups. So, get things started. It's supposed to be an unboxing, but I kind of already opened the boxes because the return address was weird, so I wasn't sure if it was Supreme or not. So, let's start off with this box. So this box came with a Supreme bag in a decent size, and inside was this baggie, and it got like the skull sticker in here, the chicken dinner sticker, and it says poppy paper rollies, or I don't know what this is, but I think it's like seeds to plant a flower. And there's also another sticker in here, but I can't tell because this is like sealed, so you can tell if it's like gets opened. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. I have to see, but I believe these are the stacking cups. Yep, and they are. So I'm gonna open these up. Me personally, I don't see a use for them for me, so these are just something that will be resold. Okay, so it looks like these two are stuck. Hold up, let's see if it focuses. Boom. So right there you see the super. And let me get the rest out. So yeah, there's nothing else in the box, it's just the cups. It's like, I guess it's like the, yeah, so this possibly can break if you drop it on the floor, but there you go, the Supreme stacking cups. All right, my next pickup is this was the small size storage box. Some people calling it the lunch box, but yeah, this one came with one Supreme sticker, the basic box logo. And I had opened this one because I was like weird, like there's no Supreme store in Saucus, New Jersey, so I was just like confused what was being shipped. And the last box is the biggest box, and in here, first thing we got is the black hat. I forgot exactly what's this one called. Oh, it says it right here. So this is the Felt S logo 6-panel. On the front you just get an S, and on the back you get the Supreme with the strap thing right here. So yeah, this is like leathery. All right, and then the next thing I got is the, what's this called, the Ripple LST. Got this in a medium. It's a long sleeve t-shirt. I got it in my size, but I don't even know if I want it, so that's why I'm leaving it dead stock in the bag, just to maximize resale value, of course. The next thing I got is the Oxford shirt. I believe this is a medium. Yep. It's really like a plain, like uniform shirt or work shirt, or like a simple shirt. And it says Supreme on it somewhere. It's really small, so the only really thing I like about this is the bag, honestly. And then the last thing in the box, they just put a bag in here, but I guess this is the bag that they put the stickers in. Yep. So I get one box logo, and I get the, I guess these are seeds, but okay, so I get, let me see if that focuses in. I get this sticker, and this might be like seeds, but this one is like open already. Like the other one, I can't open unless I rip it, but this one's already open, like I can take this out. So I ordered more items. I'm gonna see if I can like drop a like a picture right here somewhere to to show you the other items that I'm currently waiting for. I really don't know what's taking so long. So the New York store is only like 4 hours max away from my house, so they could have delivered it themselves if they really wanted to. But yeah, that's my spring summer 18 pickups so far. This was the week 2 drop. I didn't get anything from week 3 because I overslept, but week 4 I'm coming. I'm gonna try to cop some things because it's a collab going on, and I don't know what it is yet, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna look nice. So yeah, it's your boy DJ Hinton. Another, I guess, fashion video for you guys, and make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, drop a comment, you know, for some feedback, advice, anything, and see y'all next time. Peace.